Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. If you're running a small warehouse, a retail shop, or even managing inventory at home, a reliable label printer saves you time, money, and headaches. But not all printers are built the same. The Zebra ZT411 is one of those workhorses that actually delivers without breaking the bank. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Now, I know what you might be thinking, why not just grab a cheap thermal printer from some no-name brand? Sure, you can save a few bucks up front, but you'll likely end up replacing it in a year when the print head wears out or the labels smudge. The ZT411 is built for daily use, think shipping labels, barcode tags, asset tracking, even compliance labeling. It's got a 4-inch print width, which is perfect for standard shipping labels and product tags without wasting space. And with 300 dpi resolution, your barcodes stay crisp and scannable, even when printed fast. Speaking of speed, this thing cranks out labels at up to 12 inches per second. That might not sound like much, but when you're printing 50 labels in a row during a busy shift, every second counts. Plus, it supports thermal transfer printing, so your labels won't fade in sunlight or get ruined if they get wet. It's ideal for outdoor storage or shipping to customers. I've seen this firsthand in a warehouse setting, where labels were exposed to the elements and still looked great after months of use. One of the things that really impressed me about the ZT411 is its durability. The metal chassis is solid and doesn't rattle around, even when printing at high speeds. And the print head is rated for over 1 million inches of printing, so unless you're running a factory 24/7, this thing will last years. I've had mine for a while now, and it still looks and performs like new. The build quality is exceptional, and it's clear that Zebra has put a lot of thought into designing a printer that can withstand the demands of a busy workplace. But what really sets this apart, though, is the connectivity. Most printers in this price range only give you USB, but the ZT411 goes further. You've got Ethernet for plugging straight into your network, Bluetooth for mobile printing from a tablet or phone, and even a standard USB port for plug-and-play convenience. I've used this in a warehouse where the main computer was across the room, and being able to print directly from a handheld scanner via Bluetooth saved me from running back and forth all day. It's these little features that make a big difference in the long run, and they're a big part of why I recommend the ZT411 to anyone who needs a reliable label printer. Another thing I appreciate is how easy it is to set up. Zebra includes a full software suite with drivers and design tools, so you're not stuck figuring out some clunky open-source program. I printed my first label within 5 minutes of unboxing, and the software is intuitive and easy to use. You can design and print labels with ease, and the printer even comes with a range of pre-designed templates to get you started. This is a big plus, especially if you're not tech-savvy or don't have a lot of experience with label printing. Now, I do have to mention a couple of things that might not be perfect for everyone. First, it's a bit heavy, about 14 pounds, so if you're looking for something ultra-portable, this isn't it. But let's be real, if you're printing a large volume of labels, you're probably going to want to keep the printer in one place anyway. Second, the ribbon and label rolls can be a bit pricey compared to generic options, but that's true for any thermal transfer printer. You're paying for reliability, not just the machine. And when you consider the cost of replacing a cheap printer every year or two, the ZT411 starts to look like a very cost-effective option. In addition to its many features and benefits, the ZT411 is also surprisingly versatile. I've used it to print labels for shipping, inventory management, and even compliance labeling. It's easy to switch between different types of labels and ribbons, and the printer is designed to work with a wide range of materials. This makes it a great choice for anyone who needs to print a variety of labels on a regular basis. All in all, if you need a printer that won't quit, the Zebra ZT411 is a smart investment. It's fast, reliable, and built to handle real-world use without fuss. Whether you're labeling inventory, shipping packages, or organizing your workspace, this printer does the job without drama. If this sounds like what you need, I highly recommend giving the Zebra ZT411 a try. With its impressive features, durability, and ease of use, it's an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable label printer. So why not check it out and see for yourself? This one's built to last, so you won't be shopping for a new printer anytime soon. If this sounds like what you need, check out the link below.